Ever wonder why your knuckles make that weird pop sound? Nope, it's not your bones breaking. Joints in our body have a sticky fluid known as synovial fluid. This fluid works in smooth movement and flexibility. It also avoids the bones to touch each other. When we do exercise or stretch, this fluid between our bones stretch and creates gas bubbles in the joint fluid. When you crack your knuckles, the sound comes from gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. And guess what? It's not harmful. No proof it causes arthritis. Your body reabsorbs the gas and you can crack again later. Crack your knuckles? Click like if you just did. Follow for more weird body facts.